that is something that I don't take, and thanks to my mom, I don't take for granted. I never have the impact that I can make on individuals. And to me, making a real impact on an individual, way more powerful than having 1,000 casual fans. I'm going to share a story with you. This just happened yesterday. This shit is crazy, dude. But if not for the fact that I had so many things going on and I had like 6 meetings after this, it would have just like had me on cloud 9 for the whole day. So my very first meeting of the day yesterday, I'm meeting with a woman who owns a contact center business here in Atlanta. And I don't know, she's contacted through the website and she's like, yeah, thinking about expanding, blah, 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 want to talk to you. Cool. Here's my link, book a meeting. So we get on and she pops on and her son pops on as well. Her son is 34 years old. And he says, well, my mom wants to take credit for this connection, but she can't take credit for this connection because I'm taking credit. Here's why. I worked for you 10 years ago. 10 years ago, I worked for you for like 10 days. 10 days, that's it. Like so much so that he didn't resonate. I've had hundreds of employees, right? And he said, the impact that you made on me in that 10 days, like how professional your organization was, how many Black and brown and gender minorities you had, and how professional your organization was run, made this massive impact on me. And so here we are 10 years later, and they want to bring me in to help consult them on their business, right? Which is cool. But just the thought that I made that impact, and this dude who wasn't even a long-term employee. He worked for us 10 days. He's a good, smart guy. He's a real estate broker and everything now, but he was just like, at the time, that job wasn't a good fit for me. Yeah, okay, no problem. But that's the type of impact. That's what I'm talking about, Dave. So when you talk about legacy, that's what it's about to me. That's why I don't, when I see I won't call them peers. I don't think they're peers. When I see people on the platforms that are just chasing the attention, chasing the likes and the comments and all that stuff, like I don't think they really get it. And I guess I was someone way before social media. Like social media didn't create Ron L, right? For one, so it doesn't define me. But I'm also, and tell me if you share this, I'm sure you do, because you're a smart dude. I'm also not egotistical enough to think that I matter that much, dude, like on platforms like that. But these sorts of impacts that we make in real life, these sort of connections like you and I, this is what endures. And that is what it's about for me. And that is also how we do business. That's how we do business.
I have terrible news for you. You actually might matter more than you suspect.
Well, I'll tell you what, I will never believe the press, man.
You know what? Get over the love affair that you have with what you've done. Get over the love affair with the stuff you've made. Get over the love affair you have with yourself, those kind of stuff. And what you need to replace that with is what I call passionate impartiality. Right?
Dude, what are you, just the wisdom bomb dropper today? What the hell? Like, you got me stopping and pausing and like, what the passionate impartiality? Wow. Okay. Keep saying.
But you know what I'm talking about? It's like you got to be like, I mean, the passion is like all in, but impartiality. It's like, you know what? If it's everything you've talked about. It is caring about the values and not about the vanity. It's caring about the right things and not falling for the little red herrings. It's caring about the long game and not like little short return. It's just the right components.